is also a very useful skill because it gives you an understanding of menus. So when you move to their software applications, or more specifically Microsoft applications, many of the menu and keyboard shortcuts are the same. For example, when you want to print a document in Word or any other Microsoft application, you have options. From the File menu or the Office button, the drop-down menu will allow you to print your document. But here are a couple of shortcuts. From the printer icon on the ribbon or toolbar, or simply hit the Control key and the letter P. But before you're even ready to print your document, you realize, I just made a mistake. How do I fix it? Again, several ways. You can click on this icon to undo your last keystroke or task. And if you have several mistakes you want to undo, just keep clicking. And just like when you print, there is a simple keyboard stroke to undo. That is Control Z. Now, you just did all this terrific work. Make sure you save it. Guess what? You have options. Again, you can use the Save option from the File menu, or you can use the Save icon. And again, a favorite keystroke, Control S. And don't forget to continually save your work as you go. Nothing worse than doing great work and next thing you know, it's gone. Since we're working in Windows in this video, we have been referring to the Control key, as in Control S and Control P. But in Mac-based systems, you would use the word Command, as in Command S or Command P. So let's start with the basics of what Microsoft Word can do. It's essential that any document you produce is error-free, and Microsoft Word has the tools to help. Spell check is one of the most common features that you will use. Yes, as easy as ABC. An easy, E-A-S-Y, way to correct spelling errors. Spell check is used to correct not only keystroke and spelling errors, but grammatical errors as well. But don't rely on spell check completely to find all your mistakes. Here's an example. You type the word there, T-H-E-R-E, when you should have typed there, T-H-E-I-R. Spell check won't know the difference. That's why it's important to always proofread your work carefully. To enhance the look of your document, it's important you know some of the most common formatting features. You can bold, italicize, and underline text for emphasis. So let's jazz up this one-page summary on your favorite television show that you just finished up. First, we'll look at the title. We can change the size of the title. Once that's done, let's bold it for emphasis. That's a start, but a lot more can be done. How about adding a drop cap? Then we want to change the look. How about 2 columns? And let's insert some clip art for a visual enhancement. Now you're done with your summary report. Oh, make sure you hit save and proofread and spell check before you print and submit. And not only can you use clip art and graphic images, but you can create your own art by using the draw tools and shapes. And we can get even fancier. How about numbering this short list? And this subheading would look better if it were centered. And the color red would look good. The great thing about Microsoft Word is that the newsletter we saw did not have to be created from scratch. There are several templates available to help get your project started. There are so many to choose from. Let's take a quick look. There are brochures. For example, a takeout menu. How about a business card? Or how about a calendar? There's letterhead stationery and party invitations. Planning on having a garage sale? We go to flyers. First, we need to make sure we have the correct date. And of course, we want to include the time for everyone to show up and the address so we can get everyone there. And how about some directions, because we have lots of stuff to sell. Do you know how lucky you are to be living and growing up in this amazing era of technological growth? You may not realize it because you were born into this amazing time, but do you have any idea how much things have changed since your parents were your age? The computer age has opened up a whole new world of opportunities for you and your future.